Okay, my name is Alana Chapman and this is my level 3 submission of my ET2 Minecraft analytical video. So we'll start now. Minecraft is a first or third person perspective sandbox sort of style game. As you can see, although it looks simple and dated, it just means that it's easier to use, and I guess in a way it's non-threatening for gamers and non-gamers as well. So just because it is simple looking and accessible, doesn't mean that it's not powerful. So just like any sort of curriculum, it's flexible enough to adapt to all kind of learners, sort of no matter what skill level they have. The players can see their own progress and self-assess how things are evolving based on their inner voice, which is probably more critical than any teacher might be. So all in all, the game involves the player creating and destroying blocks that are on 1 by 1 meter cubed. Players can build magnificent structures, creations or artworks on multiplayer servers or on single player mode. So to use the game to its fullest extent in terms of education, teachers and students will need some basic knowledge on how to actually operate the game. I'm just in creative mode at the moment, where I quickly created a fast tutorial example on how to start using Minecraft. So as you can see, I can actually fly around and have all the game objects at my disposal. However, once constructed, maps can be saved as survival or objective style instances. Okay, so the user can also play along a more objective-based survival mode, where tools and objects are constructed by foraging and placing various block patterns into a 9 by 9 grid. So there is no one single end game objective in Minecraft. The user is basically limited to the materials provided, but mostly their imagination. Principles from maths, including things like geometry, volume, functions, 2 and 3D shapes and Cartesian coordinates can be addressed, as well as things in physics, agriculture and even the appreciation of nature. Science can also be demonstrated by circuitry and electronics, and anything as far as music and construction can also be taught to some extent using Minecraft. Another really important feature is the fact that teachers can now create custom maps with custom objectives in which can suit single or multiple educational needs. So in reality, educators are limited by their own imaginations when it comes to applying Minecraft to teach new and relevant principles. Okay, so we're at the maths house now. So what I will do is just give you a few quick examples of just some of the things that Minecraft can be used to teach. So firstly, maths is probably the most simple to give a quick demonstration of. Here I've created a maze within the correct answer to a question must be known in order for the student to continue. So over here on our sign we can see 14 plus 4 equals 18, go left, 19 go right, or 17 go straight. So we all know that 14 plus 4 is 18, so we're going to go left. So we'll move on forward. 1 plus 1, 2 go right. 12 times 3 is 36 going right. Is the sky blue? Yes. So obviously we can do really simple questions or quite complex questions. An example of volume is, what is the total volume of the glass? It's 2 meters cubed, so we'll turn right. Go left, da 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 da. As you can see, you've got the point. So what we'll do now is we'll go into the piston and the redstone circuit side of the game. So using these objects, they can help students conceptualize basics of things like electricity flow, circuitry and hydraulics as well. So here I've set up some very basic circuits, which for demonstration purposes, it is activated by this button. Beautiful. Again, setting up a circuit in itself would be a challenge in survival mode, where hours of mining minerals are needed in order to gain the correct materials. The circuit is powered by something called a redstone torch, and in the redstone powder acts as a wire or conductor for the current. And so there's also units called redstone repeaters and comparers, which slow down, or they can actually speed up the electricity flow. Alrighty. So as I will just go on to now, I can demonstrate the use of pistons, sticky pistons, redstone wires to build a functioning elevator. Up we go. We can just push the button and go up. Alrighty. So as I've shown, in Minecraft I've been able to access just 2 key learning areas of many, those being both maths and science. I think teaching through games is just an engaging and captivating way to sort of present new knowledge to students, and in that way they can explore through game-based learning as well. But look, aside from the educational outcomes, there are many other lessons that can be learned when playing Minecraft. So things like resilience, dealing with unexpected issues, you can do things like imposing self-time constraints. There's lots of different things that students can learn from Minecraft. So there's actually an organisation called Minecraft ETU, and what that is, it's a collaboration of a small team of educators and programs, and they're from the United States and Finland. And so what they're doing is working with the creator of Minecraft in Sweden to make the game sort of more affordable and accessible for schools everywhere in the world. And I think that would be really something that would be wonderful in the future. So thank you very much for watching my analytical video on the educational uses of Minecraft.